no grace of God out here, son. It's just the land and all its spoils.
My father, he sent me here when I was 17.
I am Hanif. Hanif Kalal Abdullah.
Mal.
You have that to me.
Because you helped me out back there, you reckon you're the boss, do you?
I leave you here. You die.
Crown marked gold. Only a fool would try and trade it with the mark of the crown on it.
You must melt them.
Me partner Jimmy got a large furnace. Will you get me there? You get what's yours.
The Mount Magnet mine has been robbed.
We need to move fast.
Hanif, do not go with him.
Restitution will be swift and severe.
Getting cold feet, are you? Come on, son.
Our man needs a furnace.
In the name of the crown! He's armed!
It'd be good if we beat him to it.
Out!
Why you do all this?
It's gold, son. Man doesn't need a reason.
Yundu Gulgatara. Yundu Wajbala Namango and Yanari. Telamulada, Tabla with it. Namaru.
This land took all I have. I will not go back empty-handed.
It's a bit late for that.
Stand down!
This gold is your chance to be your own man.
Stand up!
God knows what you have done.
Gold drives me mad, boy. Hello. Is all that holds this hell of a place together. If ever you're gonna start praying again,
Hey!
now'd be the time.